Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to freeze certain position using on CapCut PC. Alright, so let's say right about here I would like to insert a freeze. So what you want to do, you want to right click, edit, freeze. So this is gonna freeze this right here. Now you wanna go to effects, video effects, and you wanna add a shake. I also use this, the color flicker, or you can try any effects that you'd like. Yeah. Okay, now on this tab right here, you're gonna add a mask. Let's reduce the speed. Okay, there you can add a thing like that, and add a bounce in. Okay, like that. So
honestly messy.
okay, so let's go there. So you mute the main track, and let's preview this. Like, okay, about here I would delete that, not right here. This. Let me remove the color flicker. Maybe a zoom lens as well. Okay, there we go.
I don't know what that means.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi or Ronaldo?
Yeah.
Honestly, Messi.
Messi or Ronaldo? 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 Messi or Ronaldo?